Welcome into Lash Check Wednesday, everybody. Lash Check Wednesday is where I show you how to wash your DIY cluster lashes and how to refresh them to make sure that they stay looking perfect for the entire week. Anime Ace. This is a brand new lash kit that Airy Cute released. And it's like this volume spiky lash. I'm absolutely in love with it. The tutorial for this is already posted on my page. I don't go out of my way to wash my cluster lashes. I simply wash them whenever I wash my face, which averages out to be about 2 times a day. What I've been washing my face with is the Pacifica moisturizing, oh, I said no oil. This says it's oil cleanser. Get my hands wet and sudsy, get the soap all over my face, and then I take my pinkies and I scrunch up my eyes just so I don't hurt myself, and I scrubbity scrub. Oh, we did lose one. So we can't use oil. This is the first time I've lost a lash at all, and I've been using oil-based cleanser all week. So please remember, it is normal to lose a lash here and there. I lost 3 lashes because I had to overlap these lashes, if you remember back to our tutorial. And what do I always say? I don't like to overlap my lashes because it makes them easier for them to fall off. But sometimes you have to overlap your lashes to get the correct angle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our lash glue that comes in the kit. You're just gonna put a little bit more bond there, and you're gonna let that dry for a couple of seconds to get tacky. I'm gonna lick my applicator because I don't have a cup of water. Size 14, because that's what I put on the outer corners. You wanna grab your lash from the bottom, and then you can transfer it over from the tip. We don't grab it out of the box from the tip because we risk splitting the lash in half. I'm gonna place this as close as I can get it to the base of my lashes without getting it inside that waterline. I'm gonna lick my applicator and I'm gonna grab another size 14. Transfer it over. So I'm gonna do side by side, no overlap for these two. Okay, side by side, no. So what I'm gonna do, because this lash here is crooked, is I'm gonna grab it from the base, I can't see, and I'm gonna peel it off. One of the caveats of overlapping, well, I guess I don't need to pull that off. I can just pinch that back down. One of the caveats of overlapping your lashes, guys, is it does complicate things a little bit. So I do recommend avoiding overlapping your lashes if you can, but sometimes you can't avoid it. I'm taking the same lash that I just pulled off my eye, and I'm gonna just plop it right down. I'm gonna pinch them down. Now look at that. That took me, what, 2 minutes, guys? And off camera, if I was doing this off camera, it would took me 30 seconds. So it's very easy to just refresh your lashes and make sure they stay looking perfect for the entire week. Lash Check Wednesday, I don't use the seal. Fuck a seal.